It's dripping! Oh god, it's dripping! Welcome back to another episode of Let's Fly. We have something very special planned for today. We're going to take the Garuda that we crashed in the last episode, fix it up, and then we're gonna take our tiny whoop, and we're going to go around my awesome workshop and show you everything there is to see. I'm excited for this episode. I hope you are too. Let's get to it. So the first step in repairing this is removing the propellers. Always remove the propellers. Where did my propeller tool go? We're going to need one of these, a prop tool. Yours might be different. This is mine. Shouldn't be that hard. Ta-da! We have our depropped Garuda, and for just sake of argument, I'm going to put a battery in it, put the transmitter on, and see if I can arm it. Ta-da!
Show me what you got!
Okay, so that was the sound of it being okay. That's the sound you want to hear. It's like do-do-do-do-do. That should be it. That should work. I see like a red error code. What does that mean? What does that red blinking mean? What does that red blinking mean? I don't understand what's going on with it. So I'm gonna dig around for a minute and figure it out. Okay, let's connect it up to Betaflight. See what's going on with this little bird. Connect it up, but we're getting that red light. So it's working. We've got connection to it. See what happens when I... Let's see if we can spin the motors up. Motors. Understand. Remove propellers. So the props spin up. What? 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 Why doesn't it arm?
Show me what you got!
We've got RSSI back. Huh, so maybe we killed the receiver. Maybe the flight controller's okay. The quadcopter has, at least the receiver has connection to the Garuda. The Garuda's RX is working. The transmitter's working. The flight controller's working. There might be a connection break between the receiver and the flight controllers. With that in mind, we're going to open it up and we're going to poke around the receiver's connecting wire to the flight controller and see maybe if by chance it's broken. The long and tedious process of actually taking this thing apart. While we're at it, we're going to replace the canopy since it's kind of burnt from other crashes. Replace it with this one from Phoenix 3D Solutions. Just want to say thanks guys for the canopy.
Get your feet up!
Okay, so because I have unfortunately installed the VTX with a hot glued antenna, I'm going to have to use hot glue gun to take it out. It's dripping! Oh god, it's dripping! But will it come out yet? Ha. Yay! Yay, we have it! The reason that I glued this into that machine was pretty simple. I broke off the antenna originally, and I was like, okay, so I could either fix the antenna or I could turn it into a dipole. So I decided to turn it into a dipole. And since then, I haven't broken it. Look at the damage on that. That's what happens when you burn it. Aha! That is our problem. So we finally found the problem. It's actually pretty easy to find. My hunch was right after testing. The receiving wire did indeed come disconnected. It's going to be really easy to fix. We're just going to use our soldering iron, and it's going to take all of maybe 2 minutes. Okay, now that we've found the problem, we need to tin up this wire. And just like that. Cool, so we have it soldered back together. Let's test it to see if it works.
Show me what you got.
That's a win. Okay, so we've got our Garuda done. It is ready to be put back together. Out with the old and in with the new. And then we hold it upside down to let the glue do its thing. So this actually helps the little dipole absorb a lot of the damage. And just like that, we have mounted our antenna. The hard part is done. Let's put it back together. I'm really curious to see how this thing's gonna fly tomorrow. I have it ready for me and my friends. We're gonna get together at the local park and have some more fun. But now, it's time for Tiny Loop. This is my box. It has everything you need for a good time. Ta-da! Tiny Loop! This is the Tiny Loop from tinyloop.com. I also have gotten one from Drone Pros. And there is also this really nifty thing called the Inductrix from Horizon Hobby. So this is the Inductrix FPV. You can get this for $100 pre-built, ready to go out of the box. You can pay $200 and you can get a screen plus a transmitter to fly with. This is a really cool option for newbies just getting into it. Highly recommended. We need to set up a Tiny Loop course. What are we gonna do? I head up through there. So we've got ourselves another gate kind of through here. Let's use some of this for our course. And we have our solemn. Cool, it's a couple obstacles. I think really that's all we need. Have some fun with that Tiny Loop. Oh, and I dropped it on the ground. Not a part of the system. Awesome, let's do this. One lap. Ooh, back around, cool. See that? Come on, we can get through this. See that gate? Oof. Come on. The tunnel. 2 laps down. Got this, we got this, we can do this, we can do this. Come on, 3 laps, 3 laps, 3 laps. Don't get overzealous. There we go. Come on, one more time. Can I find it without taking the goggles off? No, I can't. There it is. I can reach it though. Well, that was fun. I think we are finally done for the day. And I think my cat has some interest in the whoop, but she walked away. Oh, that was fun. I had a lot of fun with this episode. I hope you all enjoyed watching, and if you think the new shooting style is cool, let me know. If not, let me know. It's a little different for me. I'm still getting used to this camera, and I'm not 100% sure if this is the right way to go. On the next episode, we're gonna fly that Garuda. Hopefully, you all get to see what it does with 3D. So thank you all for watching, and tune in next week for another episode of Zoe FPV.